This video reveals a simple yet highly effective way to create an underground worm feeder right in your garden. It's a fantastic project because it delivers nutrients directly to your plant's root zone, provides local worms with a reliable food source, and produces rich, fertile compost beneath the soil. Instead of tossing kitchen scraps into the trash, you can transform them into natural plant food with very little effort and almost no ongoing maintenance. To make this underground worm feeder, you only need a few basic materials that you may already have at home. The main component is an old pipe. Leftover drainage pipes or electrical conduit work perfectly for this project. Reusing old materials not only saves money but also gives them a useful second life. For this setup, you'll need 2 long pipe sections and 1 T-shaped connector. The first step is preparing the pipes for the worms. Using a drill or another suitable tool, make holes along the entire length of both long pipes. The holes should be large enough for worms to move through comfortably, but small enough to prevent the pipes from filling with soil. Once the holes are made, connect one end of each long pipe to the side openings of the T-shaped connector. This creates a straight pipe system with an opening facing upward in the center. Next, attach a short piece of pipe to the top opening of the T-joint. This section will remain above ground and serve as the feeding access point. Now it's time to install the system in your garden. Choose a location close to the plants that will benefit most from the extra nutrients. Dig a trench or hole that matches the shape of the pipe assembly. Position the perforated pipes underground so they sit near the plant roots. Once everything is in place, refill the trench with soil and gently press it down to secure the structure. Leave only the top section of the T-joint and the short vertical pipe exposed above the soil. Next, prepare food for your underground helpers. Collect kitchen scraps such as fruit peels, vegetable trimmings, and other compostable leftovers. Chopping the scraps into smaller pieces is highly recommended because they break down faster and are easier for worms to consume. Pour the chopped scraps into the open top of the pipe. If the material gets stuck, use a long stick to push it downward and spread it into both side pipes, helping distribute the food evenly throughout the system. This introduces beneficial microorganisms that immediately begin breaking down the food waste. Finally, pour a small amount of water into the feeder. Worms thrive in moist environments, and the added moisture helps soften the scraps while accelerating decomposition. Before long, worms will detect the food, travel through the holes in the pipes, and begin feeding. As they work, they leave behind nutrient-rich castings that enrich the soil and help your plants grow healthier, stronger, and more productive.